Hi everyone! Do you want to learn how you can hide your shoulder seams on your swimsuit? Stay with us on the next 4 minutes and learn exactly how you can do that. Most of our patterns include 2 layers of fabric on the main body and 1 layer of fabric on your sleeve. This means that you will have to hide the shoulder seam between that layer of fabric and the 2 layers that you have on the body. But let's dig in detail on the table and let's learn how to do it. Swimsuit Pattern Live has lined body, but the sleeves are only 1 layer of fabric, so it became important to hide our shoulder seams. But if you want to see the full tutorial on how to sew live, you have it available on our channel. You can use this technique for our mini live pattern, our mini bora pattern for kids, also our long sleeve crop top, wave, and of course our lucky and also our bora patterns. Never mind that I'm using a lining that is nude and my swimsuit is black. This is a better way for you to be able to see what I'm doing. I actually have the nude for the front and then I had black lining for the back, but I didn't have enough in black, so I made the front in nude and the back in black. But well, we have 2 layers of fabric on the front and on the back, so on our body, and I'm showing you the shoulder seam that I have already finished on one side, so you can see that my shoulder seam is completely hidden. You can see if you fold the fabric outwards, you can see that we just secured the 3 layers of fabric. So we secured the sleeves and the layers of our lining and our main piece. But now let me show you on the other sleeve how you can also do it. Watch it carefully, pause if you need to. This is very simple actually, and it's really not that hard. For me, it's easier if I first do a zigzag and then I do the overlock. The first step was securing my sleeve to my main body, to my main fabric. So you can see here that I have already secured the sleeve to the front and to the back, but if you want to know how to do this, just watch the full tutorial for the live swimsuit pattern. And now when we place our lining aligned on the shoulder seam just like we did on the other side, if you align just like I'm doing here and you would sew directly here, you would have the seam visible. But since we don't want that, this is very simple. You just need to lay your lining like I'm doing here to the opposite sides, placing right sides facing together against your sleeve, just like I'm doing on the video here. And now you just need to pin, sew on your zigzag and then on your overlock, and you are actually ready to go and you will have your seam finished. Don't try to pin all the shoulder seam at once. Start by placing 2 or 3 pins and then move along while you are sewing. Don't forget, if you have any questions, to let me know on the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Let me just finally share with you, once you have done it, you just pull the fabrics out and you can check your final results. That's it for today, guys. Bye!